Want to avoid losing money on 1xBet? Here's how. Before we continue, make sure to create your official 1xBet account using our exclusive promo code BUTV to receive an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Click to registration, choose one of the 4 available methods, for example by email, fill in with all your personal details, and here in the promo code section, click BUTV. Then click to register and make your first deposit, for example $100, and instantly receive a 300% bonus. That's an extra $300, making your total balance $400 to start betting with. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your game with one of the most trusted betting platforms in the world. Now let's back to the video. First, never chase losses. If you lose, don't double down. Take a break. Second, stick to sports or games you actually know. Knowledge gives you an edge. Third, use the cash out feature. It lets you secure part of your winning before the game ends. Fourth, watch out for bonus rules. You can withdraw without meeting wagering requirements. And fifth, set daily or weekly limits. Protect your bankroll. Remember, winning is great, but staying in control is even better. If this video was useful, put like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.